In this video, I'll show you how to block notifications from a specific group on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? Just click on the group. Okay, I think from this, yeah, you can see, just click on the group right here. Wait for it to load up, right? Yeah, so this is the group. I'm gonna click on it. Yeah, so right here, if you want to block some notifications from a specific group, let's see, like I want to just off it, right? I'm gonna click on this. You're gonna see the manage notifications, right? Click on it. Right now you can see our post, highlights, friends post. So if you just click on this off, right, you click on this off as well, then you're gonna click on the save. You'd automatically block the notification from this group specifically, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the notification, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all find this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.